Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, and the topic is the pair of linear equation in two variable. We are going to discuss the solution for the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now we all know that the pair of linear equation for first of all let us know what is a linear equation. The equation which is of form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. There I have written two equations. This one is my first equation and this one is my second equation. Here it is a linear because the degree of the variable is 1. Okay, here we are using two variables are x and y. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Now today we are going to discuss about the solutions. Okay, there are some conditions. We are going to discuss about three conditions. First condition is, if we are going to take the ratio of the coefficients of x and ratio of the coefficients of y, if both these two ratios are not equal, then we say that the pair of linear equation has unique solution. It must have unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution of this equation will exist. Okay, now this is by here we are doing two methods. First one is algebraic. This is the algebraic method. Okay, and second one is graphical method. Okay, now if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, we say that this is a unique here it is a unique solution. If we represent it graphically, suppose this is x-axis and this one is the y-axis, the graph of this type of equation is that two lines will intersect at a point. For example, this is the graph of first line L1, okay, and this is the graph of second line L2, and you can see that it intersect at one single point. So it means that there is a single solution, there is a one solution of this equation. So here we can say both the lines intersect. Lines, or we can say equations. Okay, both the lines, or you can say equations, lines are intersecting. Okay, this one is my first case. Now if we will discuss about the second case is the ratio of x1, coefficients of x, and ratio of coefficients of y is not equals to the ratio of the constant terms, then what we will say that there is no solution. Both the equation does not have any solution. And if we represent it graphically we can say, if there is a x-axis and this one is my y-axis, then what we will say that here both the lines are parallel. This is L1 line and this is L2 line. Both the lines does not intersect at any point, so we can say that lines are parallel. Now last case, third case is, if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, then we can say that there are infinite many solutions. Graphically representation of this is that if I am having x-axis and y-axis, then how we will represent it? One line, this is line L1, and it coincide with other line, and my other line is again same like this. Coincide means both the lines lie on each other. So it means for this is in this lines are coincident. Okay, so these are the three cases. Okay, first here we can say algebraical method, and this is a graphical method. Algebraically we can decide unique solution, no solution, and infinite solution by these three conditions, and graphically it can be shown like this. Or also there is a one more thing, that if we are having first case and third case, in both these two cases we say that the system is inconsistent, then the system is consistent or inconsistent. Where there is a no solution, it means this is inconsistent. Okay, here is a one solution, it is consistent. Here is also one solution, it is consistent. So this is how we can differentiate all the cases and all the solutions of the linear equation in two variable. Thank you.